Good day to each and everyone. I am Mary Antoinette Madlos, and for today's video, I will discuss or explain to you all about the Albert Bandura's social learning theory and its essential components. So without any further ado, let's begin our discussion. Albert Bandura was a Canadian-American psychologist. He was also a professor of social science in psychology at Stanford University. He was born on December 4, 1925, and he was died at July 26, 2021. Bandura was also responsible for contributions to the field of education and to several fields of psychology, including social cognitive theory, therapy, and personality psychology. He was also of influence in the transition between behaviorism and cognitive psychology. He is also known as the originator of social learning theory, also known as the social cognitive theory, and the theoretical construct of self-efficacy. Albert Bandura is the creator of the concepts of social learning theory. He proposes essential steps in order for the learner to take place, which are first the observation, followed by attention, retention, reproduction, and lastly, motivation. What is this social learning theory? It is about interacting with the environment and making a permanent change in knowledge or behavior that improves human performance. According to Bandura, we learn from interacting with others in social contexts. We observe, assimilate, and imitate others' behavior when witnessing positive or rewarding experiences. Attention. According to behavioral theories, if people are learning anything from a knowledge acquisition model, they must be paying attention to the model's observable human learning behaviors. There are many reasons for disturbance in the observer's attention. For instance, if the observer is distracted, ill, or sleepy, he may not learn the modeled behavior and imitate it in his classroom model. Retention. According to social cognition theorists, the second condition of observation learning is to memorize the witnessed behavior. If a student does not memorize the social behavior, there are fewer chances of imitating in his classroom behavior. Reproduction. According to child behavior and development theorists, it is a complex process which includes the mental and physical ability of the person to copy the observed behavior while doing a physical task. For example, a child may see an adult basketball player put in a ball. Afterwards, when the kid has a basketball, he may try to put a ball like the adult player. But the child's physical capabilities are not like that of the adult player, and regardless of how many times he attempts, will not reach the basket to put the ball. A teenager or an adult may be able to put the ball, but possibly on after a lot of practice. Motivation. According to child behavior and development theorists, motivation factors provide the most significant knowledge acquisition opportunities of observational learning. According to behavioral theories, if someone has no reason for the classroom model imitation, then no quantity of reproduction, retention, or attention will overcome the absence of motivational factors. So according to classical theory, motivational factors such as emotional experience, punishments, and positive reinforcement play an important role in motivation. Once again, the four meditational processes proposed by Bandura are attention, whether students notice the behavior; retention, whether they memorize the pro-social behavior; reproduction, whether they can perform the pro-social behavior; and motivation, whether the perceived rewards exceed the perceived cost. So meditation processes are basically ways to change behavior. They're often used in social psychology experience where researchers want to test whether changing attitudes leads to behavioral change.